Ever feel like no matter how many parties you go to or how many people you meet, you just can't seem to click with anyone? You're at a gathering, maybe a work event, maybe a friend's party. While everyone else is talking and laughing, you're stuck standing there scrolling your phone thinking, why is socializing so hard for me? Why do I always feel out of place? Here's the thing. Being social, confident, and genuinely connecting with people doesn't have to be awkward or forced. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room or the funniest one either. First, let's get something straight. Feeling socially awkward isn't a flaw. Most people, yes, most people, are winging it. They're pretending to be confident while secretly feeling just as nervous as you. And the truth is, nobody notices your small mistakes as much as you think. Being social isn't about being perfect. It's about learning a few simple habits that make conversations flow naturally and make people enjoy your company. Step 1 is changing your mindset. Instead of thinking, I hope I don't embarrass myself, try thinking, I want to understand this person and make them feel good talking to me. See the difference? One focuses on fear, the other on connection. People are more forgiving than you think. If you make a small slip, laugh it off, smile, and keep going. Almost no one remembers awkward pauses, but they always remember how you made them feel. Body language matters. Smile genuinely. Keep an open posture. Don't cross your arms. Face people. Hold eye contact. Lean slightly forward when someone talks. Even if you feel awkward inside, your body can fake confidence, and your brain will eventually follow. When it comes to talking, start small. You don't need a deep conversation right away. Ask about the environment or the person. How do you know the host? This place is amazing, isn't it? These small questions are simple but effective. Listen more than you talk. People love talking about themselves. Ask thoughtful questions. Notice details. And genuinely listen. You instantly become more likable. Echo their energy. If they're excited, match it. If they're calm, stay calm. Use small stories or relatable anecdotes to make yourself memorable. And don't fear silence. A short pause is normal and can even make the conversation feel more comfortable. Here are some practical tips that work every time. Commit to talking for at least 2 minutes when you meet someone. Compliment something genuinely, like, I love your shoes, or that's a great idea. Use their name once or twice. It helps create a personal connection. Prepare a few easy conversation topics, like hobbies, current events, or trending shows, so you're never at a complete loss for words. Awkward moments happen to everyone. Laugh at yourself. Pivot smoothly if a topic dies, and stay curious. Awkwardness isn't failure. It's a sign you're human and learning. Being social is a habit. Set small goals. Talk to one new person a day. Join groups or clubs. Practice small talk whenever you can. Over time, socializing starts to feel natural and even fun. Think of social skills like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every conversation, every short pause, every small slip makes you calmer, more confident, and more magnetic. Focus on adding value rather than impressing. Make people feel understood. Make them laugh, or make them think. You'll naturally attract them to you. To sum it up, being social isn't magic. It's not about being loud or perfect. It's about mindset, body language, conversation skills, handling awkwardness, and practicing small habits daily. Start small tomorrow. Talk to one person you wouldn't normally talk to. Notice how it feels. Keep going. Soon, socializing will feel easy, natural, and even fun. The next time you walk into a room full of people, you're not alone. You're ready, confident, and fully capable of connecting.